Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Slime Tower Tycoon. Okay, wait here, what the fudge? Oh, what the Okay, what the hell? I don't get why bare people are playing this game. Oh wait, what the fudge? Hold up. Ah. +1 slime? Oh, what the fudge? Yo, give me that. Yeah. Thank you. I mean, I can't just wait here and it's like... Anyways, deposit. Oh, we got 16, come on. Oh, I can merge them, hold up, merge. How much blue one give me? Hold up. 4. Oh, it gives me 4. Deposit. Bang, give me a slime. Deposit. And deposit. And then we'll merge. Then we'll do that again. Nah, I've still got time. Oh, 450 for 5 slimes. That's kind of a scam, don't you think? Oh, she's still on 8 left. Not my watch. Okay, now I should probably speed up the fire rate. Fire it, bang. No, another one. Fire rate 3, come on. So it gives me 3 each second now. Okay, I think I see why bare people plays now. Like 11,000 people playing this. Like, I think I see why now. 24, okay. Merge. Oh, what the fudge? Yeah, bro. Speed the fire, bro. Speed it up, bro. Another one. Okay. Now we're chilling, bro. Now we're chilling. $750, I was at 150, 300, 450, 600. Yeah, but yeah, it's not really a scam. It's just basically. But if you get stand on that, it's just like a minigun. If you get stand on it, like it's legit. Okay, just give me this one real quick. Oh man, let's look at the mine jump up, bro. Oh man, 100. I had to check how much you have. Like, oh, also it's on the bottom, bro. Where am I? Oh, it's sprint. Oh, I have to hold it. You know, there we go. Come on, cheat code. Okay, so I should do. Hold it and move your mouse like that. There you go. Come on, bro. Your boy knows cheat code, bro. Come on. $150 real quick. Merge, I think. Oh yeah, I would have enough. Great. Oh bro, look at that. Look at the speed I'm going at, bro. How much the best player in the game, bro? I'm not even gonna lie, bro. It's a flipping simulator, bro. Oh jeez. Hell no, not my watch. I just don't want it to stop dropping that thing. Okay, it's gonna start dropping anytime soon. Okay. The fire is sick, that's actually really good. Okay, and 210. Okay, now we merge. Bro, how much is flipping chilling right now, bro? 1,000. Oh my, that's actually a lot. Now that I think about it. Hold on, I can just grab from the walls. What the hell? Is that how big my hitbox is? Nah, no. Okay. There we go. Oh, that was a lot. So they all go to that core, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, what the fudge? I need to buy another one. So I think that green one's only worth like one. Yup, I knew it. Here's your one. 6-9, bro, 6-9, bro. Oh, that's a lot. Bruh. Okay, and that should be enough. No, one more. Okay. Oh my, that's a lot, bro. Can you one more and then I can merge it? Okay, the last one. 255. Okay, that's not enough. Bruh, I missed. 150. Okay, I think that might not be enough. Yeah, that's enough for sure. Bruh. Okay, and then we merge. There we go. Oh, let's speed the fire real quick because it's too slow. Okay, there we go. And yeah, guys, this video, peace out.